Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix iPhone screen recording with no sound or audio not recording properly. Let's get started. First, start a screen recording on your iPhone and check whether audio is being captured. If there's no sound in the recording, the first thing to check is your volume level. Open the control center and increase the volume using the slider. Now test another screen recording and see if the audio works. If it still doesn't record sound, try restarting your iPhone. Swipe down from the top right corner, then press and hold the power icon and slide to power off your device. Turn it back on and test screen recording again. Next, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. Go to Settings, then General, and tap Software Update. If an update is available, install it. Still having issues? Go to Settings, then tap on General. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset. Then tap Reset All Settings. Don't worry, this won't delete your personal data. Finally, test your microphone using the Voice Memos app. Record a short clip and play it back. If your voice still isn't recording, the microphone may have a hardware issue. In that case, visit an authorized Apple Service Center. And that's it. That's how you can fix screen recording audio not working on iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone troubleshooting and iOS tutorials.